Right, so let's look at a case where there's now a coefficient of x here, right, compared to a case where it's just a basic case where the coefficient is positive 1. Okay, now the first thing you want to do here is make it look like the simple case. You need to get rid of that coefficient, whatever it is, by taking it out as a common factor. If we had the same thing happening at the bottom, you'd also do the same thing. Take it out as a common factor. Basically, we need this to be x, we need that to be x. So the first thing I'll do here is take 2 out as a common factor at the top. That'll be 2x minus 7 over 2. Right? Understand how I figure out what's left. To figure out what's left, we basically divide by your common factor. Over 2 here, over 2 there. That's how you figure out what's left. That's how I ended up with 7 over 2. Okay, I think you're fine with that. Okay, all right. All over x plus 2. And we can now look at just this fraction while bringing the 2 down each time. Right, you can treat 2, or you can take 2 out of the whole thing, and it now looks like this. This is basically what we have here. I basically rewrote this in that form. That 2 belongs to the whole fraction. I just needed this to be on its own like that, to look like it's on its own. This is now normal. I can now do the normal steps from here. So from here, I'll still bring down my 2 and work with this. Remember, the steps are, you want x plus 2 at the top. You want the denominator at the top. So you bring it to the top, x plus 2, and then we need to figure out that extra thing that will make the whole answer negative 7 over 2. And in general, to figure out that extra thing, it will always be the top number, negative 7 over 2, minus the bottom number, positive 2. Let's try that out here. I feel like that old white guy on the learning channel. Negative 7 over 2 minus 2 gives us negative 11 over 2. So that's what you put here, negative 11 over 2, all over our denominator. Next, I'll break the numerators up over break each numerator up over the denominator. Bring down the 2. I'll have x plus 2 over the denominator minus 11 over 2 over the denominator. Okay, this is starting not to fit, so I'll go sideways. It's fine, I'll go sideways. All right, next, this is 1. Here's my 2. We have 1 minus 11 over 2 over your denominator. Next, I'll distribute the 2 inside. I'll multiply the 2, which is the numerator, to the numerators. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 11 over 2 is just 11. I still have my denominator. Then we just swap these around. So I'll continue over here. Bring it closer. So swapping these around, we have negative 11 over x plus 2 plus 2. This is now in standard form. Your a is negative 11, p is negative 2, q is positive 2.